Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report is for trading on Wednesday, October the 24th, 2018. Got to be really quick. It's been a very, very busy day. Markets were very quiet today, and then all of a sudden, right before the end of the trading session, things just went haywire. All right, so we are in some very volatile times. Looking here at the chart of the bonds, TLT is the ticker. Just like yesterday, you see more of the same. The market's still in a continuation pattern, which is bullish momentum at this point. All right, so the market is keeping pace with that right now. It looks like this market wants to, get back up to the 117.50, which is the longer-term resistance. So this market is on track for that. We'll see where it goes from here on the daily chart. All right, moving along, looking at silver. All right, we have a crash alert out there for silver for tomorrow's trading for Thursday. As you can see here, you got the crash alert symbol right there with the arrow pointing down. Looks like it wants to come down here and test the support of the bottom of the Kumo cloud. It should be noted that leading up to today's trading, the market was in a continuation bullish momentum. All right, and that bullish momentum ceased today, so there is some speculation of coming down. So it looks like we're going to do one of these. All right, so this is good for at least, I want to say, possible 50-cent pullback. We'll see what happens, maybe even more. It should be noted that we have a possible beginning of bullish momentum coming into play as well. We'll see what happens. There's a lot of mixed markets. There's a lot of volleying back and forth. You're still in a bullish configuration. See the bull right here in the bottom right-hand corner. But we cannot ignore the crash alert for tomorrow. It's looking like one of these patterns right here is going to manifest itself. So heads up if you're long silver going into Thursday's trading. All right, moving right along. Next chart here is of the Russell, on the Russell futures. Okay, still under bearish momentum to the downside right now. Downtrend channel still in a full effect. You got bearish momentum increasing to the downside, and the market is in free fall right now on your daily chart. Switch it over here to the weekly chart. It's the same thing. Where support looking like it's going to be? It looks like it's going to be somewhere around the 1411.80, which is this pointer back here from February the 9th of 2018. This is a pointer, and as you see, markets are coming toward the pointer. That's why you cannot ignore these pointers. Pointers are very important. They're almost like gaps in the market. Markets always come back to the pointer. So that's where we are headed right now. All right, we're within the pointer parameters right now, which is below the Kumo cloud. All right, so it looks like we still have further to drop. Looks like another 70 points is possible to the downside in the Russell futures. Moving right along, looking at gold. Got a crash alert for gold for tomorrow as well. So if you are long the gold, be on the lookout. I know you see the bullish momentum here. You see this possible pointer right here. But for right now, it looks like if you are long, please be careful. Know that there's a crash alert that is set up here for trading for Thursday. And I know this is a pointer, so at some point the market's going to have to come and test this and break out. So just heads up for gold and silver trading tomorrow. We do have a crash alert that is there. All right, looking at the S&P 500. Someone asked me about the E-mini S&P 500 today. Where might we be headed? Right now you see the bearish momentum is still in effect. It's increasing downside pressure and momentum. If you look over here to the weekly chart, all right, right now you can see the market is in a free fall status. However, here's the pointer back here on February the 9th, 2018. Right now that support is at 25.29. So you still have it over 100 points, 120, 30, 40, 50 points possible. First support for right now is going to be the bottom of the Kumo cloud right here, which is at 2611. So for right now, you got about 70 points that this market could fall before testing the bottom of the Kumo cloud. So that is the initial targets that you have on the E-mini S&P 500. First one's bottom of the Kumo cloud, which is at 2611. Ultimately, we have right here, which is at 2529. All right, so 2611. Then the next stop is 2529 on the E-mini S&P 500, and that's looking at the weekly chart. All right, so there you have it on the E-mini S&P 500. All right, next up we have Bitcoin futures, still bearish momentum increasing, and the market is overall flat. Nothing going on there at all. All right, looking at the U.S. dollar index, I told you was going to try to pop up here and strengthen up. That's what's happening. Bullish momentum increasing, and it looks like this market, like I said, it looks like the goal here is par. All right, looks like the goal is going to be par. Right now, we're getting close to that double top. Let's see here. You got a top that was made back here on August the 17th. That was at 96.98. So that's what we're gunning for right now. That's your first resistance. After that, you're just wide open until we get up to par on this one. All right, that's where we are right now. Okay, and on the monthly chart, the resistance is at 103.82. Okay, 103.82 on the monthly chart. And that's what the market's trying to go to, all right? That's what we are. All right. So with that being said, I do believe that is it. So remember, postwavetrading.com. If you want to get these rally and crash alerts delivered to you ahead of the market move, along with the daily price triggers that put you ahead of the market, even without an alert. You can trade the price triggers, and if there's any action that jumps off, it doesn't matter if it's the beginning of the day, middle of the day, or end of the trading session, those price triggers are designed to get you in the market on the right side of the market. All right, so you got your rally and crash alerts, which is primary. Secondary is the price triggers, which confirm the move. And even if there's no alert, if something jumps off, those price triggers, you'll know intraday where those support and resistance areas are. All right, so pulsewavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.